Hello everyone, do you want to know what were my top 3 short ballet choreographies in 2020? Great, let's have a look. The video that you just watched was actually taught in 2 different videos, Short Ballet Choreography Part 1 and then Part 2. However, the main idea from the beginning was to be able to join them all in one long choreography. Our next video though is a different style in music and dancing. It's more dynamic and a little bit faster. However, the main idea is the same, to focus in simple movements, breathing and giving attention to arms coordinations and head. Let's have a look. To learn the 3 choreographies, you can click right here or check down below in the description of this video where I'm going to leave ton of link for you also on how to improve your ballet technique. So say that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.